If you've ever opened Lucidchart and wondered how to scroll around the canvas without getting stuck, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to scroll on Lucidchart using a few simple methods, whether you're on a mouse, keyboard, or trackpad. This is a quick but super useful skill because once your diagram gets bigger, moving around the workspace smoothly can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about the easiest method if you're using a regular mouse. Open your Lucidchart document and move your cursor to an empty area of the canvas, somewhere away from the shapes and text boxes. Then press and hold the right mouse button. While holding it down, drag your mouse in the direction you want to move. This lets you pan around the diagram, so if you need to move up, down, left, or right, just drag the canvas that way. This method is especially helpful when you're working on large flowcharts, diagrams, or mind maps, and you need to reposition the page quickly. If you're using a keyboard and a mouse wheel, there's another handy option. On Windows, you can hold Shift and Ctrl together while scrolling with your mouse wheel to move vertically. On Mac, hold Shift and Command while scrolling to do the same thing. This is useful when you want to navigate through a large diagram without constantly dragging the canvas. If you want to move left and right instead, hold Shift and roll the mouse wheel. That allows horizontal scrolling, which is great for wide layouts, process maps, and architecture diagrams. Now, if you're using a laptop or a trackpad, Lucidchart also makes that pretty simple. Just use 2 fingers on your trackpad and swipe in the direction you want to move. A 2-finger swipe up, down, left, or right will pan the canvas naturally. This is one of the fastest ways to move around if you don't have a physical mouse connected, and it works well for users who prefer gesture-based navigation. If the movement feels a little awkward at first, don't worry. It usually just takes a moment to get used to which method works best for your device. The key thing to remember is that Lucidchart gives you multiple ways to scroll, so you can choose the one that feels most comfortable. A mouse is great for precision, the keyboard and wheel combo is great for control, and a trackpad is great for speed and convenience. So to quickly recap, if you want to scroll on Lucidchart, you can right-click and drag to pan the canvas, use Shift plus Ctrl or Command with the mouse wheel to move vertically, use Shift with the scroll wheel to move horizontally, or simply use 2 fingers on a trackpad to swipe around the workspace. Once you get used to these options, navigating large diagrams becomes much easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials, tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.